Hey everybody, how are you? Good, you're talking to me, I'm glad. I'm driving here. I had this most incredible road rage. I'm sure it happened to you ladies. My boyfriend, not to the other drivers, to my boyfriend, he was just telling me how to drive. Have you experienced this? He's like, go to the right, turn left, don't do that, don't put a lipstick on. Oh, look, they're looking at you, they're honking at you. I mean, just shut up, just shut up. There is going to be a freeway shooting in this car right now. Just shut up, don't talk. Where's the gangbanger when you need it? Take this guy out, this is ridiculous. Gentlemen, I don't know about the other ladies, but most of us, we don't like you to talk. Don't talk. If you must say something, just say, yes, master. Nice, isn't it so nice? Because when you talk, you get in trouble. You say silly stuff. My boyfriend, for 5 years, he tells me, I want you to call me your sugar daddy. I'm like, I don't think so. You don't have any money. I am going to call you my NutraSweet daddy. He's gone. You're hearing my accent. I am from Kentucky. I'm from Istanbul, and I just became an American citizen. Isn't that so cool? Thank you. It was awesome. After I was sworn in, the judge talked to me. If I'm like someone so important, he said, Gulden, welcome to our country. What are you going to do now? I'm like, I'm going to be the next governor of California. And thanks to the United States of America, finally, I'm living the American dream. My whole family is thousands of miles away.